Good morning. I wanted to show you something I worked on yesterday. It's a bracket made out of plexiglass or Lexan. It's acrylic. I've got a saw blade that cuts very well. This is the material I started out with. It's a 1/4 inch clear Lexan. And so it's to cut it out to width, simple enough. Then I need to route a slot in it. So I set up the drill press with a router bit, turned the speed up, and made a jig. And just by lowering the depth of the bit ever so little and sliding it through, I got a stop. There's a little magnetic block. Uses a stop. You can control the travel, how far in and back. And it did a pretty good job of putting a bit in there, or a slot. Then to bend it, I protected the workbench with some sheet metal here, and had to put some paper in the vise to insulate it because the vise was taking too much of the heat away. And by taking the this one's already done, obviously. By taking the heat gun, just applying heat on the back side and on the inside, easy enough to bend it over and put a square on there. Just make sure you have it at a right angle, and then let it cool off, and it comes out like this. And then there's another technique you can use called heat or flame polishing, where you just take my propane torch. You just go over this gently with the flame, and it takes out, you can see it shining there, it takes out the kerf scuff marks from the saw blade and pretty much makes it clearer, polished. It turns out pretty well. So, whole new material to work with. It's good stuff, very solid and strong, and you can do things with it that you wouldn't be able to do with wood or metal for that point. So, just things been working on. Talk to you later.